Looking for the perfect compact vlogging camera that won't limit your creativity to a single lens or weigh you down with bulky setups? idolcam is your purpose-designed vlogging camera that you have been waiting for. From the non-distorted ultra-wide lens that gives you the perfect coverage at arm's length, to the easy-viewing selfie screen to capture the exact shot every time. From the beauty and spotlight that brighten those unpleasant shadows, to the advanced 3-axis gimbal that give you the next-level video stability. From the built-in mic jack to easily attach to any external mic of your choice, to a quick swap magnetic interchangeable lens system with 7 lenses to help unleash your full creative potential. Plus the option of a compact 4th axis stabilizer for shots that require that extra stability and cinematic touch. Besides vlogging, idolcam has got you covered from action shots to distant travels, from low-light scenes to infrared special effects, from telephoto shots to drone shots, from microscopic studies to video conferences and live streaming. To top things off, a free personalized 24-karat gold-plated name tag and an affiliate program that pays you 2 to 6 times the commissions of other camera affiliate programs. If you are thinking of going with other compact cameras for vlogging, here is what you need to know. You will be limited to a single lens, so you will probably still need to carry around a heavy DSLR camera and a few lenses, just to be sure that you got all your shots covered. So, why get restricted by compact cameras that limit your creativity, or heavy setups that slows you down? idolcam is your perfect lightweight and versatile vlogging solution that will help you jumpstart your vlogging career with the highest affiliate commission.
Hey guys, today we are talking about the brand new jetboil flash. Now the flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds. The base plate on the new flash, which you can see right here, is made of aluminum, and that means it's an ounce lighter than previous models. Also makes for an easier on-off connection than the older model. The new flash also has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color for safety and fuel efficiency. And it tells you exactly when the water is hot so you don't waste any fuel. It still comes with a 1-liter flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, but it's also been updated with a more ergonomic design and an improved lid for better fit and function. It's got a drink-through lid with a built-in strainer, and the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. The flash also has a reliable push-button igniter, and it puts out 9,000 BTUs of power. The new flash will let you boil 10 liters of water with just one of these 100-gram jet power cans. There are also new Flash Cozy color options for 2018, including Carbon Black, Matrix, Jet Cam, and Wilderness. And you can opt for the new Flash Java Kit, which you can see right here. The new flash is also compatible with other accessories like the hanging kit, pot support, flux ring frying pan and pot, and utensils.